Okay. You studied, check the note, right? No? Everyone check the note.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So continue. This Saturday, Sunday we have a test. Okay. Circle chapter. Okay. Right. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Look at here now. Two chords here, AB and CD. They are equal. Okay. That means AB equal to CD. Then the distance from the center also equal. That is here, M and N. Okay, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Okay, right. Draw this figure. First you write equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Okay, draw this figure. Then write if AB equal to CD, then OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Okay. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Finish. You just write, draw figure. Then you mark it two chords. AB, if AB equal to CD, then OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Okay. Finish or not? Because these are very important theorem. Based on that only questions. Okay. Okay. Next, right. Chords of a circle are chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle which are chords of a circle which are chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Okay, that means look at here. If, say, draw another figure. Hello, draw another figure. Same figure, draw again. Same figure, draw again. So how come your class, no one got the paper? Another class, I forgot the name. One guy yesterday told, he said he got 29. Viraj, I think, yeah, Viraj. Viraj this batch or other batch?
No, sir.
Not Viraj. Who was shift to other batch from here
Sir,
to
Janil.
Janil, yeah, Janil, yes. No one in Janil class here?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, now write this one. Then write if OM equal to ON. If OM equal to ON. If OM equal to ON. Then OM equal to ON. Then AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you repeat?
Repeat here. If OM equal to ON, it is like this. Reverse. If OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. Okay, Ananya, your school, which chapter going on?
Sir, we are going to finish circles.
Ah, you learn already. Okay. Okay. So equal chords. Okay, clear now? Equal chords of a circle. Okay, two theorem now. Two theorem. Listen now. Theorem number 1. If AB equal to CD, OM equal to ON. Theorem number 2 is converse. If OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. Clear or not?
Yes,
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Theorem number 1. Theorem number 1 is what? If AB equal to CD, then OM equal to ON. Okay. Converse is if OM equal to ON, then AB equal to CD. These are the two theorems. Okay. Now we are going to write the question. Okay. So regarding Thursday, okay, you wait till my any information from a group. If I late, okay, class Friday morning. Okay, what time Friday? 9 a.m.
9.
Okay. In case I late, we can wait till 5 o'clock because if I do 5 till 6:30, we can no 5. Oh, not 5:30. Till 4:30 or what do you call? 5 o'clock you can wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So maximum I try to depends on their rush. That's why I cannot say sure. Okay. Okay. But in case late, class will be Friday. Okay. So now listen. Okay, now question right. If two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle are equal, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, if two chords of a circle, listen, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, through their point of intersection, through their point of intersection, comma, prove that chords are equal, prove that chords are equal, prove that chords are equal. I'll read again. If two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter through their point of intersection, through their point of intersection, prove that chords are equal, prove that the chords are equal, prove that the chords are equal. Your school timing now what? Till 1:30?
No, sir, we reach home by 2.
2 o'clock. Oh, okay. Your each class period, how many minutes?
40 minutes.
So 40 minutes.
47 minutes.
45. Okay. Okay. Now this question. Look at here. If I think you didn't understand the question here, right? If two chords of a circle are equally inclined. Look at here now. Don't write. I'll explain this question. Here is the center. Two chords. This chord number 1. Okay. AB. This is chord number 2. Okay. AB and AC are two chords. Okay. Are equally inclined to the diameter. Through the point, a diameter through the point of intersection. Okay. D. Okay. Now, these two angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Once again, AB and AC are two chords intersecting at a point A. Then the diameter passing through O, okay, inclined angle, equally inclined angle. That means angle 1 and 2 equal. Then what you have to prove? We have to prove that the chords are equal. To prove AB equal to AC. Clear or not? Once again, given is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Given is angle 1 in figure, and suppose the figure is given. In figure, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Prove that AB equal to AC. Now read the question. If two chords of a circle, if two chords of a circle are equally inclined to the diameter, equally inclined to the diameter through that point of intersection, then the chords are equal. Okay. Everyone, draw the figure. Draw figure. Okay, just draw a figure, then I'll give the note. Okay. Okay. Finish or not? Okay, then write given. Given two chords AB and AC. 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 Two chords AB and AC of a circle. Two chords AB and AC of a circle with center or radius R. With center or radius R. You can write like this. Okay. How to with the center? Listen. With the center of a circle with center or radius R like this. C bracket OR. How to read? Circle with center O radius R. Don't read core. Okay. Circle. How to read? I think you're familiar, right or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Circle with center O radius R. Okay. Such that AB are such that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. To prove AB equal to CD. To prove AB equal to CD. To prove AB equal to CD. Hey, sorry. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay. Now, there is a small construction there is. Look at here. Through O, OM, draw perpendicular here. Distance. Okay. N. L. Okay. Right. Construction. Draw OL perpendicular to AB. Draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC. Construction. Draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC. Okay. Up to here, okay or not? Everyone finish up to here. And Abdul Hadi, after that, read up to the what you wrote.
What?
Read the note, what you wrote. Read given, what you have to prove, construction.
I didn't write full, sir. I just
Hello, Abdul Hadi.
sir, I couldn't write full.
What?
I didn't write full, sir.
I can't hear anything. You type then. What is the problem? What is your problem, man? Abdul Hadi.
Sir, can I read?
No, why didn't write? Why didn't write full? Just why join late?
I just joined.
Why just join? The time is 4:30 now. Why late? What is the reason late? Now I'll lock the meeting at sharp 4:30. Everyone should reach before. Okay. Why late, man? Abdul Hadi, what is the reason? Any reason?
I was joining at 4:30, but
I can't hear anything. He typed first of all. What? And okay. And read it. What is given? What you have to prove? What is the construction? Read.
Okay, sir.
Loudly. Okay, everyone should hear.
Yes, sir. Given two chords AB and AC of a circle with center O with radius R, such that angle 1 equals to angle 2, to prove AB equals to AC, construction, draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC.
Okay. Okay, Vishal, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read. Can you read what you wrote?
Yes, sir. If two sir, question as well.
Question or need. Given and given, what you have to prove, what is the construction?
AB is equal to AC such that angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
Eh? AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, then nothing to prove, no finish, no. Question over. That's all you have to prove. Read what is given.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
That's only given. No codes.
The construction is
No. What is given? What is given, you read. In the question, what is given, that you read.
Two chords of the circle are equally.
No. That is the question. After that, I gave you given. No. What is that?
So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and then
No. Okay, Anaga, read loudly.
Okay, sir. Given two chords AB and AC of a circle with center O, radius R, such that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. To prove AB is equal to AC, construction, draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to AC.
Okay, this is just like KG students. I gave the note, reading, no idea. What is this one? What are you writing, man? I very slowly only. Everyone wrote. Yasri, you finish. Daksh, are you okay? Harsh, Kavinaya, Megha, Nandan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rida, is it okay, Rishabh? I didn't start. I didn't start the proof. I just spent
Yes,
time.
sir.
Look at here. Around 30 minutes only for given and all. Okay. Look at here now. Okay. Now proof. Now only I'm going to start the proof. Okay. In triangle ALO and triangle AMO. ALO and AMO. ALO and AMO. Okay. Anything equal here? Any side equal? Any angle equal?
Sir, OA is equal to
OA
OA.
equal to OA. Common.
Okay. OA equal to OA. Okay. OA equal to OA. Okay. Common. Next.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
Angle 1.
Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given, right? Okay. Next. Next. Fast. Come on.
So angle ACO is equal to angle AMO.
ACO. Eh?
I mean
What?
angle
Angle A.
ALO.
ALO
angle
equal to
ALO.
ALO equal to what?
Angle AMO.
Why?
So they're perpendicular. So they're
Perpendicular. AMO. Correct. Equal to 90 degree by construction. Okay. You write? Right now. OA equal to OA common. OA equal to OA common. OA equal to OA common. Then angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Okay. Therefore, angle ALO equal to angle ALO equal to angle AMO. AMO 90 degree by construction. Okay. Hence, triangle ALO is congruent to triangle AMO.
Therefore,
AAS. Correct or no? Triangle ALO. Triangle ALO congruent to triangle AMO. AAS congruency. Correct or no? Two angle and one side. Hence,
Yes, sir.
Hence, OL equal to OM, CPCT. Right? These two are equal. Correct? Correct or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, AB equal to AC. What is the reason? Then what is the reason? OL
The
equal
chords
to
of the
OM.
circle which are
Which
equidistant from the center.
yeah, you write that. Write that. Chords of a circle which are equidistant. Chords of a circle. Right. Write the reason in bracket. Full reason. Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center. Chords of a circle. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Okay. Is it okay? Clear all?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, everyone, just go through the note. If you have any doubt, tell me. Okay. With all the steps. Okay, are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question then. It's clear all. Next one.
Yes,
In figure, O is the center of the circle. In figure, O is the center of the circle. In figure, O is the center of the circle, and PO bisect angle APD. PO bisect angle APD. I hope everyone drawing with the proper scale and
Yes,
compass,
sir.
right?
Yes,
sir.
Sir, can I
Can you repeat the question?
What? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. PO bisect angle APD. PO bisect angle APD. PO bisect angle APD. Okay. PO bisect angle APD. Okay. Prove
So
that.
could you repeat the question?
O is the center of a circle. You heard about now. O is the center of a circle. O is the center of a circle, and PO bisect angle APD. PO bisect angle APD. PO bisect angle APD. Prove that AB equal to CD. 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 Okay. Finish the question, okay?
Yes, sir. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you try yourself with some chota construction. You try. Okay, try now. Are you trying now? No. Trying or not?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Within your class, which chapter? Hello, Nitin.
Surface area and mode.
Okay, circle finish or not?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now look at here. There is a chota construction like previous question. Draw OM perpendicular, OM perpendicular. Okay. Here question given PO bisect APD. So 1 equal to 2. Like previous question exactly. Okay, 1 equal. This is, we can say M N P. Okay. Then we get, look at here, in triangle OMP, ONP, 1 equal to 2, given. M equal to N, 90 degree by construction. OP common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by same AAS. Hence, OM equal to ON. If OM equal to ON, DC equal to AB. Clear or not? Roll got.
Yes, sir.
Roll got.
I got sir.
Sir, I got.
Sir, I got.
Okay, then write construction. That's not getting right. Construction. OM, draw OM perpendicular to DC and ON perpendicular to AB. OM perpendicular to DC and ON perpendicular to AB. Okay, then proof. In triangle OMP, in triangle OMP and ONP, OMP and ONP. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Then angle M equal to angle N 90 degree. Angle M equal to angle N 90 degree by construction. OP equal to OP common. OP equal to OP common. Therefore, triangle OMP congruent to triangle ONP. Which one? Triangle OMP is congruent to triangle ONP. AAS congruency. Okay. Hence, OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. OM equal to ON. Which implies DC equal to AB. Which implies DC equal to AB. Okay. Write the reason. Reason what? Hello. Reason full.
Chords
Right.
of a circle
Yeah,
which
chords
are
of a
equal.
circle.
Chords
Chords of a circle
which-
which are equidistant from the center are equal. Chords of a circle which are equidistant from the center are equal. Okay. Now, another theorem. We are going to write the theorem. Okay. Very important theorem. Okay. So, complete this one.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, right? One theorem. The angle subtended by an arc. The angle subtended by an arc. Your class very rich now? No.
The
Now we are
surface
doing
area and
surface
volume
area and
for
volume
EBS.
in our class. Sir.
Not circle.
Surface area.
Sir, we finished.
Sir, we finished
Sir, we
circle.
finished circles.
Oh, really? Oh, but I didn't find any. The school finish means then it will be easy for you, know. But you are not answering any question. Okay. So, okay. Take page number 180. Page number 180. Page 180. Theorem 10.8. Copy. Theorem 10.8. Theorem 10.8. So I don't want to read again and again. Okay.
So page number
180. Theorem 10.8 copy. Gulf Indian which chapter?
Sir, circles.
The circles.
Okay, okay. Okay. Copy all?
No, so one.
Okay. This
Yes.
proof done in school or not? No. Proof done in
Done, sir.
school. Eh?
We had done, sir.
Okay, okay. So then you only learned that proof. I don't know that. Okay. The proof, you check your school book. Okay. DPS also done proof. Hello. Proof done or not? You have no idea. Come on, DPS guys. Proof now. Okay. Rida,
Yes, sir.
which chapter is going on school?
Surface area and volumes.
Circle done already, right?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Angit, are you okay? Okay. The new guy, I forgot the name. Shravan. Is it okay? Hello. Okay. Look at here, this theorem. What? The angle subtended by an arc at the center. Okay, one arc here. Arc means what? A part of a circle. Okay. The angle subtended. What do you mean by subtended angle? Hello. Subtended angle, what is the meaning? You already learned now. What is that? Subtended angle. Any idea? Suppose, look, one light here. Okay. Your eyes here. Okay. This angle, in between angle, that is called the subtending angle. Clear now?
Yes,
suppose you just looking at the top of a tower, or one flag is here. Look, suppose a flag is here. Okay, one flag here. Okay, you are standing. Look, the flag is here. You are standing here. Okay, then you look the top of the. That is called the angle of elevation. Just top, that is called angle of elevation. Okay. Suppose you're seeing in between this one. That is called a subtending angle. In between angles, that is called subtending angles. So you said you finished the circle, no? Then you have no idea about what is subtending angle. Okay. Come back to the theorem. A, B, the arc. Center here. Okay. Read the theorem. The angle subtended means in between. Suppose subtended angle of this bottle, the rays from here to here, okay, in between reach your eyes. That is called the subtending angle. Understood now? Suppose you look at the sun, in between angle. That is what subtending angle is. Okay. Clear now? How many minutes will take sun rays from sun to reach earth?
8 minutes.
So 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Yes, good. Okay. Right? 8 minutes, right or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Suppose suppose you travel a commercial flight. How long will it take? Suppose, hypothetical question. Suppose you travel to sun in a commercial flight. That means 1,000 kilometers. A commercial flight, normal speed, how much? Hello. A flight speed. You used to travel now. What is the speed of a flight? Any guess? At least guess.
Sir, about 500 kilometers per hour.
500? No, not 500. Come on. When you travel to...
Sir, about 800 to 1000.
Yeah, 800 to 1000. That is correct. 800 to 1000. When you travel to any place, in front of your chair, in front of your seat, there is a screen. There is speed also. There is, correct or no? Speed, altitude, and everything they show. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you don't check that.
Yes,
you
sir.
just after getting the sandwich and sleep. That's the problem. You should check next time. Okay, what's the speed of this flight and altitude? This all. Okay, normal altitude. How? Any idea how much normally a flight?
Sir,
Anyone?
about 36,000.
Yeah, correct. You are right. About 30 to 37,000 like that. Okay, that's all correct. Okay. Normal speed is 800 to 1000. Okay. Now my question. Okay, what is the distance from Earth to Sun? Any idea? Anyone? Earth to Sun. How many kilometers? Hello, how many kilometers? No
Sir,
idea.
150 million.
How much? 150 kilometers.
Sir, 150
So
million.
Around 150
million
million
kilometers.
kilometer.
Not 150.
2,500.
Sir, around 150.
Actually 2.96 lakhs kilometer. 2.96. That is 3,000 kilometers. 300,000. 300,000 lakhs. 300,000 lakhs. How much that? 300,000. Okay.
Around 150 kilometer, 150 million kilometers.
When you reach Tia, and you late?
Yeah, like 2 minutes. By 2 minutes.
Okay. So what is the problem? The net all okay, no?
Most of the time, yes.
Okay. So that's enough now. Good, no? He's so sad.
Not
Okay,
that,
anyway.
sir.
Okay. If you go to a commercial flight to Sun, how will it is around 17 years will take to reach there. That means like more than suppose you start now, okay, your age is 14, I think. 14 plus 7, 31 years it will reach there. That much distance is there. Clear or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Present year age is 14. 17 years plus. So that means 31 at the age of 31 years, you'll reach there. That much distance is there. Okay. So the time is light within 8 minutes to reach here. Okay, actually that is a very close. Okay, the Jupiter and all very far, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, come on, come to our question. Okay, now subtending angle here. Okay, this is called subtending angle. In between angle, that is called subtending angle. Okay, read the question. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, that means this angle. This is P. This angle is double here. So that means if it is x here, this is 2x. This is the theorem. Theorem understood? Angle,
Yes, sir.
angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB. AOB equal to 2 times of angle AP. Okay, write this one. Draw figure and write. Proof I'm not showing now. Okay, because you said you don't have. Okay. Okay, right. That means this angle is called subtending angle at the center, or you can say center angle. This is called subtending angle at the remaining part of the circle. Okay. You just write angle AOB equal to 2 times of APB. 2 times of APB. Okay, draw neat figure. Okay. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now that been understood now. Suppose this angle is 30. How much here?
60, sir.
60.
60 degree.
If it is this one 90, how much here?
45.
45.
It is
45
not,
degree.
it is not necessary just behind here. It were anywhere like this. Look. This one. This all same only. Okay. Anywhere like this. Only thing, it should pass through A and B. Only thing, the arms should pass through A and B vertex on the remaining part of the circle. Okay. Next theorem, right? Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment. Angles. Okay, listen. You have to do something. You just draw one circle and one angle. Okay, and make like any without any measurement. A, O, B, P, and you measure it with the protractor. You measure it. This one and this one. Do that one now. No, understood what I said? Draw
Yes, sir.
Draw a circle, a proper circle, and draw like this. Without any measurement, you write, draw. Then you measure with the protractor. With the protractor here and protractor here, and check it whether our theorem is correct or not. Do it now. Okay. I will ask you to send the picture. I want to see that. Okay. Okay. Finish. You checked or not? Samyukta. Finish? Hello.
Yes, sir.
How much each angle? Center angle, how
Sir,
much?
sir, I got 45 and 90 degree.
Okay. Rida?
So same 45 and 90 degree.
Oh, everyone same. Kadir?
The same, sir.
How? How come everyone same all? Rishabh? Hello, Rishabh. Same. Ankit. Ankit. 40 and 95 wrong. 40 and 95 wrong, because 95 half is what? 95 half is not 40, no. 95 half is what? Yeah, 94 and 47 clear. Ankit, check again. Just send me that figure. Shravan, what do you got? Measure. Abdul Hadi, measure it 45, 90. Okay, that is correct. Okay. 45, 90. Okay, so that means you will get it exactly. Okay, now that is the theorem. Okay, next, right? Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angle in the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay. The angle in the same segment of it are equal. Okay. This all will be okay. This everything will be same. This is called angle same segment are equal. Okay, draw this one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are all equal. Only thing, this should pass through A and B. If it is like this, mark of either. Okay. The vertex on the other side. Okay. Draw this. Then right angles the same segment of a circle are equal. Okay. Draw this one. If you measure this all, it will be same. Finish all. Hello, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next theorem. These all you have to study before the next class. Then only I can do the question. Okay. because this is all fully based on the theorem. Okay. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. The angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, this angle 90. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay. Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so next one, right? You heard about cyclic quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, all its
The
four vertices
quadrilateral
are
that
circular.
can be drawn between in a circle.
A quadrilateral inscribed in the circle, right? Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. CYCLIC. Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. A quadrilateral, right? A quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Or you write a quadrilateral is called cyclic if it's all vertices lie on a circle. If it is all vertices lie on a circle like this. This is called cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral lies on a circle, not inside. All the vertices lie on a circle. Okay. Draw this figure. A quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So, right. You write here angle A plus angle C 180. Angle B plus angle D 180. That means opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. Okay. Now, one more theorem. One more, right. If one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to, exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then,
Sir, could you repeat from the first?
okay, one angle, right. If one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, if one side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, comma, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to, then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Then the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. Okay. Take 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Just go through this all theorem. Because then only I can start the question. Everyone just go through the theorem. If you have any doubt, tell me. Okay, I'll give time till 5:55. Okay. 9 minutes. Go through the theorem. Okay, finished now. So now I'm going to start the question. Right. In figure, hello, all based on the previous theorems. Okay. In figure, calculate the measure of AOC. Calculate the measure of AOC. Draw with a proper figure, okay?
Calculate the measure of
AOC. AOC. 30 here, 40 here. This one P. Okay, find out. Okay, find out.
Sir, I got the answer.
How much you got?
Sir, 55.5.
Eh?
Sir, 202.
202. I don't know. Let me check. Let's finish all. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Anybody got?
Sir, is it 76?
I don't know. Then what you finished in your school, man? You said circle finished, everything finished. Now you have even basic questions, you have no idea. Anaga, finish or not? Okay, I'll wait. I'll get. Okay, this is not. It's a MCQ question only actually, not that much calculation. And your this is your reader question only. I gave you a reader question. Then what do you learn? Come on, your reader question. Okay. Look at here now. Anyway, I don't want to wait. See, in triangle OPA, this one equal to this one. What is the reason OA equal to OP?
This radius.
Radius. So that means
Radius.
30, this also 30, right? Because you
Yes,
know
sir.
that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. OA equal to OP radius. Therefore, A equal to angle APO. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Similarly, this is equal 40. So how much this one? 140. Finish. Right? Okay. I'll give the note. Right. OA equal to OP radii. OA equal to OP radii. Then angle A equal to angle APO. Angle A equal to angle APO equal to 30 degree. Okay. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Then similarly, angle C equal to angle CPO. Okay. Hence angle APC 70. Then angle AOC 140. AOC 140. The first theorem. What is the first theorem? The subtending angle is half of the center angle. Subtending angle is half of the center angle. Okay. Okay, check it now. So because you didn't learn the theorem, that's the problem now. Okay, complete, finish or not? Vishal, finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question. In figure, A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. In figure, A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. Three points on a circle. Okay. Find the angle BAC. Find angle BAC. Find angle BAC. This one 90. This one 110. Find angle BAC. This angle. Find angle BAC. Okay. In figure, O is the center. Find angle BAC. That's only. Find angle BAC. Okay, finish. Hello, finish. Hello, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at here. So, how much this angle?
160.
Why? Because total is 360, correct or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
360 minus of 110 plus 90. So 360 minus 200, 160. 160 half is 80 here. Anybody got?
Yes, sir. I got, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do one thing, you study this all. Then we start the next class Thursday or Friday. I'll confirm that, okay? If it is not Thursday, sure, Friday we have class. Clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I get an early appointment, then as usual. Otherwise, Saturday morning, 9 o'clock. Okay, before that, you study this all part. Okay, then all I can do the questions.
So Friday or Saturday morning?
Friday morning, 9 o'clock. I'll send the message. No, don't worry. Okay.